Hello guys, mag-set up ta og genset. Paano ang idle time, warm up, yeah. Itong sugdan kay akan dire pindot kag okay was parameter was type ka password. Ang password ani kay ay ani kay 1 okay 3 okay 8 okay naman 1 ay lang 3 okay 1 tapos 8 okay on is 4 digit na password. Tapos normal delay mean okay ra 8 seconds. Abnormal delay niya is 8 seconds. Kung mag-adjust ka ni okay mo lang okay. Tapos scroll down or up. Tapos next is undervolt, ang yapon okay. Tapos scroll down or up. Next overvolt magyapon. Tapos transfer rest time nya okay na. Delay time is kana. Tapos stop delay 8 seconds. Okay ka lang kung gusto mo ng okay ka lang. Tapos scroll down or up. Tapos number of crank pwede na 3. O yapon okay ka. Tapos scroll down or up. Free time, hit free time wala na, hindi na takano kay wala may heater ni. Cranking time 5 seconds. Pwede lang yapon mo ni okay. Tapos pindot ka okay okay pwede na mo lisan o pour vapor. Tapos okay 4 seconds na. Cranking rest time okay lang 4 seconds. Set time 2 seconds okay na. Start idle time pwede na 8 or 9 pwede. Warm up time 9 seconds. cooling time 9 seconds. Idle time, stop, stop idle time, 9 seconds. 1-year-old solenoid, fail to stop, okay, kung dapat naagi nga na ang number kay okay, this close time, okay, i-back na. Okay, muna to kung paano mag-set up o okay, mag-start atong start para makita na to manual, tapos start dapat manual or start. Okay. Thank you guys for watching.